this one, they want us to create parallel arrays. And it's going to correspond with an area code and a price. Okay? So they give us a chart down below, area code and price per minute. Let's go ahead and we'll go and populate some variables. There we go. We've got two arrays that are parallel, same number of items in each. One's a string and one's a double. Parallel arrays do not have to be the same data types. They only have to have the same structure, being the same length, number of values within them. So this will populate our arrays. We're going to come up with a number of minutes, have a total, what they tell us as far as the number of minutes in the area, and whether we found it or not. So let's start out. We'll prompt them for those values. Go ahead and there's our prompt and there's our acquisition. We've read the string in as entry area. Okay. From there, go ahead and create a for loop. We'll get our opening and closing in there. And what is it that we want to do? Well, I want to check to see if entry area is equivalent to an area in our array. Okay, so get our structure set up. What do we want to do? Well, if it is a valid area, well, let's go ahead and ask them for how many minutes. So it's assuming it's a valid area, it's one in there. Then we're going to find out how many minutes is your call. We'll read that in. We'll convert it to an integer and store it in minutes. Now that we've done that, come up with our accumulation. So we're going to calculate price times minutes. That'll give us what the cost will be. And let's go ahead and output the values to them. And we'll do a little right line here. Okay. Space is out of the way. And then here's another right line. Okay. So there we found it. We did the calculation. We told them what it was going to cost. The only thing we've got left is if we did not find it. If we did not find it, we want that where? Outside our for loop. Let's go ahead and run and see what we get. What area code are you calling? Let's say 920. 920 is a valid number. So it got us into this area here. So now we're in at line 19 and 20. How many minutes is your call? 32. Your phone call to area 920 cost 14 cents per minute for 32 minutes. The call total is 448. I'll run it again and check for an invalid area. 561. Sorry, no calls allowed to area 561. It was easy as that. That was our was not found down in line 29 and 30. Okay? So this uses a lot of the logic that we've been using in the last couple of exercises. Parallel arrays, navigating two arrays at the same time, performing accumulation, calculation, and formatting the output. So that's it for 6.6, and I'll see you in 6.7.